Hey everyone, today I'm going to be demonstrating my 10th and final project for this embedded software engineering class, which is combining several of the components from previous projects to do GPS, USB camera, and IMU data transmitted from the drone over to the host machine, which in this case is my Chromebook. On the hardware side, it's pretty similar to what I had last week, other than I've reconnected the USB camera and the GPS module to USB ports on the Raspberry Pi. I've also rewired the IMU and Arduino to connect to the level converter for the Raspberry Pi to convert it to 3.3 volt, and then connected the I2C wires to the I2C ports on the Raspberry Pi. On the software side, there's two main components for this week. The first is the Arduino program. This is very similar to the Arduino program that was posted to the class page. I've just cut some of the debug functions out, but for the most part, it just reads the roll pitch and yaw values from the IMU and writes 3 digits of each of those values into a byte array to store the sign and the first 3 digits of the roll pitch and yaw values. So it's 12 bytes in total. And then the main components of that are the two on receive and on request functions. Most of the work goes on the on request. So whenever a request is triggered from the Raspberry Pi, it's going to it's going to update the buffer and then let the Raspberry Pi know that that's been updated. On the Raspberry Pi side, I have a Python script. It's a combination between the Python script that was posted for this module project and the project that I had last week. So it's going to send a request to the Raspberry Pi, and then it's going to read in the 12 bytes that give it the roll pitch yaw and the positive or negative signs for each of those values. It's then going to print it to console, and it's also going to write it to the serial bus, which I have set up to go to connect to my host over over Bluetooth. Unfortunately, the Bluetooth cut out right as I went to do my final demonstration video, so I'm just going to demonstrate the IMU over serial. It'll just print out to the console what those values are, and then I have a second demonstration video that shows the final I2C read to Bluetooth process, just as a screen record for my laptop. So we can hop to those videos now.